All right, let's tell you how Apple has doubled down on Mumbai because the tech giant Apple has leased its second retail store in the city. This time it's in Sky Mall in Borivali. Samir Dixit joins with details. Samir, very good evening. Given the fact that this is on the cards, what are we picking up?
Good evening, Nivedana. So, Apple is now aggressively looking to expand its footprint in India, and in the same direction, Apple has leased. This is second property which has been leased by Apple in Mumbai. The first one was in BKC, and this property that has been leased, it is there in Sky Mall, operated by the Oberoi Realty. So, what we are getting to know from sources, as well as the lease agreement that has been assessed by CRE Matrix, which is a real estate data analytics firm. So, the lease agreement mentions that 12,616 square feet is the lease space that has been leased at a rent of 17.35 lakh each month. That spans to roughly around 2 crores annually. So, this is a lease agreement which has been signed for around 11 years, and the rent will be in this that will be done at each years. In addition to the agreement mentions that 2% revenue should be done by for 2 months. 2.5% of revenue sharing will be done by Apple. So that's the interesting move done by Apple, where they have leased a second retail space in Mumbai's suburban area.
All right, Samir, thank you very much for getting us these details. We leave it at that. And on that note, that's all I have for you in this edition of Startup Central. Thank you very much for watching. But you can also send in all your suggestions and queries to suc@etnow.tv.